Hello, my name is Casey Kok. I am the trainer for SQI Geometric Dimensioning and Tolerancing, or GD&T courses. GD&T is a language of engineering, and we train engineering professionals to be competent in GD&T to communicate and collaborate effectively. The understanding and application of GD&T principles form the essential element in design, drafting, manufacturing, quality inspection, and quality control. It sets standard system and indications in communicating on dimensioning, tolerancing, and geometric requirements for mechanical components and assemblies in engineering. GD&T's principle, in according to the American Society of Mechanical Engineers Y14.5 and ISO GPS standard, establish uniform practices for stating and interpreting dimensioning, tolerancing, and related requirements. It used extensively in engineering, manufacturing, design industry of aerospace, automotive, precision engineering, oil and gas, and electronics.